How to send USDT from Binance to TRC20. First of all, after you open up your Binance app like this now go to this asset button. So after you come to this asset, from this section now go to this withdrawal. So from this withdrawal, now go ahead and select this withdraw crypto. So in this option now, tap on this search and search for USDT. After you search for USDT like this now, here is it now. Just search for USDT. Now select USDT. So in this option now, go ahead and select send via crypto wallet. So from this option now, go ahead now and paste in your USDT address in this section now. I'll paste my USDT address. So here is my TRC20 address. So from this option now, select network. So here is the TRC20 network, select it. So from this option now, go ahead and type in the amount that you want to send. Let's say 20. After you type in the amount you want to send, from this option now, just tap on this withdraw button. From there, you send USDT from Binance to TRC20. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.